I'm Ain. I'm studying in Wrocław Medical University here. I'm in 4th year right now. I would like to take you along my journey. I've been wanting to study ever since I was a child. So I'm looking for a medical university where I can get a really nice mix of lecture and practical training here. So I looked for a couple of universities, and Wrocław Medical University was the perfect choice for me. My biggest concern was, will I get hands-on practical training, because it's a big thing when choosing a medical university. But most university wasn't able to provide that thing for me. But Wrocław Medical University provides summer practical training every year for a month. So it was a really nice opportunity for me to get hands-on experience in every main subjects like medicine and surgery. The cultural difference. I was worried about how the people treat other race here. It was also a big concern for me. But when I got to know some Polish people, they're really friendly and their culture is also beautiful. And their food, amazing. Their pierogi is the first thing you should try when you get to Poland. As a girl living alone in a different country, I find Wrocław as a really safe place for me. I can go around in the city at midnight, no problem. So I really find it really safe here. And also for some students, transport is also a big thing for them. Of course, they have a really nice public transportation here. We got bus, we got tram, and it's really affordable for the students as well. You can get like a discounts for students in every transportation system, even in some restaurants and in some places like amusement park and zoo. Being student here is a really affordable and enjoyable. So if you're coming to study here, my biggest tip is don't be nervous, be calm and be ready for the new experience, great culture and good food.